There may be times that you want to insert a picture on certain parts of your game that you're creating in Roblox Studio. By the end of this lesson, I will show you how you can add pictures to items in your Roblox game. Let's get started. We're working on our game here, and we have our different parts that we have added. But let's say that I would like to add an image to this wall over here. So I want to add an image to this wall, and you can add an image to any part that you've created. And the way you can find images is you can have the toolbox open, so home and toolbox, so you'll make sure that's open. And again, if you can't find it, go down to the bottom left-hand side where you can toggle between terrain editor and toolbox. And so I've got my toolbox open, and then here we've got the marketplace. I'm going to start there, but in the next lesson, I'll show you how you can upload your own images to your account. So we've got our toolbox, and let's say we've got models selected right now. Let's say I want to look for an image. So here's images. So I'm going to click on images. And now I can access all of the images available to me on the marketplace. And you want to make sure that the ones you use are free to use. And so let's say I want to put a picture of maybe a dragon on the side of that wall. So you can look for a picture of dragon. You can see they have plenty of pictures available. And maybe this one right here looks pretty cool, these two dragons. So all you need to do is just click on that and drag it to the part that you'd like to add it to. So you can see I can drag it and it can add it to different sides of other parts too. So there's adding to the model. I can add it to my spawn location or that part. I'm going to add it to this part right here. So then you just drag and then let go. So now the picture is now associated with that part. And if I play the game, I will see that part as I play. Let's just go ahead and test it out. I always want to check to make sure things are added correctly. Cool. So now that we have that image added to that part, you can access it over on the Explorer by going to the decal here. So we've got this union here, and you can see the decal is listed there. To select it, again, an image is also known as a decal in Roblox Studio. So that was one way to add it. You can also like pick the part that you want to have the decal added to, and then click on add, and then look up decal, and then you would go inside the decal, and then you would change the texture of that decal. So you can see in this one, that's the one we added, there's the texture. And so all it is copying that number associated with that asset. And again, you can find that on your Roblox account online by looking up the images there too. And so this decal doesn't have anything in it yet. So we've got that decal there. And let's say I want that decal on the other side of this. So what I would have to do is go to the decal, and it says the position here. So it says face. And so it says face back. Let's say I want to be on the other side. Let's face the front. So you can see it's not there, but if I were to go around here, you can see it's on this side now. So to figure out which side you want the decal on, you can either, drag and drop like I did, or you can go into the decal and change it from here. So I'm going to go back and put it on the back again. So there we go. So if you would like to add an image inside of this decal, all you would do is just go to your Roblox account and go to create, and then you can go to the library and then go to decals. And so here are all those images. You see they're very similar to before. And so if I look up dragon again, basically what you would do is just like, let's say I like this one. It says it's free to use. I just click on it. And then I would take this number right here and I would copy and paste it. So I copy that number, and then I would just go to this decal in the properties tab on the bottom right hand side where it says texture. You just go ahead and paste that number. And so now I've got that texture on the decal as well. Now, you can see I've got two decals on here, so I'd have to delete, maybe say delete this one. And to delete a decal, you just select it and then press delete. So there we go. Now that other decal is there that I just inserted on this one. So you now know how to add pictures to the images that you're creating in Roblox Studio. Your action item for today is go ahead and explore the marketplace with the different images available to you. You can look on your Roblox account, or you can look inside Roblox Studio. And either way, you'll be able to find the different images you could use for free. And once you're done exploring those, I will see you in the next lesson.